everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So welcome back to another Christmas DIY. That's how I'm right into it. So today what we will be doing is covering up these candles. So I purchased this candle from Bath and Body Works. Yeah, Bath and Body Works. And then I purchased this candle from my local drugstore, Walgreens. So I emptied them both out, cleaned them out really good to the best of my ability. And for the clear glass, we're going to use this little Grinch fabric here that I've been just cutting off of using for different projects. And then for the clay pot one more, so like, we're going to be using the Grinch box fold leather. And this year we decided that we was going to do a Grinchmas Christmas. So these would just be like on like display on the tables. Maybe add like some candy canes or some little chocolate, something, just to fill up the tables. So what I'm going to do with this is, I am placing this down on the box fold leather on the back, and I'm just rolling it. As you see, I'm lining it up at the bottom. I'm going to roll it and mark it so that I'm able to have a straight line. So I'm just going to do this all the way until I complete it to the end. Just marking and rolling, rolling and marking. Okay, so the next step I will be doing is grabbing my hot glue gun. I'm just going to apply a little line right there at the bottom, like so. I'm going to apply that to the candle holder. Okay, press down a little bit. And now I want to just pull it a little tight. Make sure that everything lines up. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite end. So this is how it turned out. Really cute, easy, and simple. Okay, now for the next one, the clear one, I'm going to take it. Just going to roll this on the fabric. And then I'm going to cut, but I'm going to have a little bit still hanging. So this is how much I cut off, but I still have enough where to hang over just a little bit if I needed to. And then let's measure a little bit for the top. Try to make sure that I get the Grinch on here for sure. You're going to place a generous amount of Modge Podge on the glass. And you're going to apply this all the way around. Okay, so once you have applied that first coat of Modge Podge, you're going to just go ahead and place the candle holder on top of your fabric. And you're just going to rub the fabric as you're applying it. That there are no bubbles, no gaps, making sure everything is smooth. And I like this part because you can remove it if you need to. Apply some more glue wherever it's needed, and then you're going to press it back down. Okay, so once you have allowed your first coating to dry, you will have something that looks like this. And we can go ahead and apply another coating on top of the fabric. I'm just going to take my paintbrush again. I'm going to apply a generous amount of Modge Podge on it. And I'm going to place a generous amount on top of the fabric. And then I will let that dry as well. And you can do one coat or two coats, whatever you feel is necessary for your project. I'm probably only going to do one coat because I think that'll be enough. And I'm just moving the Modge Podge around the edges as well and at the bottom, just to make sure everything get coated correctly.